Okay, guys, this is my sister brought this over because it had a no crank, like no start at all. You would try to keep on, try to pull the cord and try to start it, and it wouldn't start. Her air filter was pretty dirty. First thing I looked at, I even cleaned this, but it was more gunked up before. So the spark plug was pretty old too. She never did anything to it since she bought it. So I did a oil change on there, put a new plug on there, and also checked the carburetor, which was fine. There was no issue with the carburetor. It was nice and clean, but I still cleaned it up a little. And here's the carburetor, and here's the new white filter that I put in there. And here's your carburetor, and it's real easy to take apart. To get to the carburetor, you gotta undo these. Then you gotta do the shield that has the bolt right down there. Undo that, the shield comes out first. Then you do these two bolts. Instead of taking these bolts on the bottom off to get the whole hub, whatever, the plenum, I took only these two off. And they got some springs up there. I only took one of them off and flipped it around. There's a bolt on the bottom. Cleaned it up with the carburetor cleaner, and there wasn't any jets I could open on this. So I got my air compressor, just aired it out everything, and put fresh gas in there, drained the old one, and today I got the plug, and I had also ordered a carburetor because it was a better deal. It was like for like $10 more, I would get a new carburetor with it. So I ordered the whole kit that came with the carburetor, spark plug, and air filter. So I just put the spark plug in, put a new filter on there, and it fired right up. So I'm gonna keep the carburetor for a different day, I guess. But I'll show you the new one that came in today. And I think it came with a little gasket too. And here's the new carburetor. This is how it looks. So you take the bottom bolt off, this right here. I had even taken off the little plastic bowl inside, and the needle, and sprayed it in there. And then I used my air compressor to blow everything out nice. And I thought maybe this had the little vacuum. It's like a rubber seals in there that which sprays fuel into your carburetor before you start it, and it helps it start up right away. So remember the little springs I was talking about? There's one spring that goes right here on this, and you just take that off, and there's a hose, rubber hose, goes up here to, it seems like a little breather hose for the crankcase. It goes to the engine, so you just pull it off, and then this right here is your fuel line that comes from the, let me show you, it comes from the fuel tank. So this is how it is, and this fuel line over here, it goes all the way down, and it connects right here like this. So when you have this right there, this you hook up, it has a little clamp on it that you gotta take off real easy. But I'm just gonna keep this for her if I need to change the carburetor in the future. This was only $20, and the spark plug fit right in, no issues. So good fix, no issues. But I also seen another video of a guy saying his had where this is your acceleration hose that goes all the way up. Okay, I guess it had got tangled somewhere, because mine too is loose. I mean, that's just how these are. These little things, I have put a zip tie over here like a couple years back for her, because these little clips come off real easy. So I would just tie it, guys. Just tie it up. I'm gonna put another zip tie right there too. So just tie them up. So what had happened was this had bent in. So when you press the little squeeze up there to accelerate, it wouldn't pull that all the way. Because when you do it, this is what happens. You see that? So this had been bent, so his wouldn't get no spark. And he replaced the coil, he replaced a whole bunch of stuff because he wasn't getting no spark. So I would say check this too, just make sure it's straight. Mine is perfect here, and no issues, it's not bent at all. You can just see I can put my finger just to, so you guys can get some kind of, if yours is bent or something. So right here, from the crankcase to here, to the head of the engine, there's barely any space. Other than that, it came out good. I'm happy with it.